From now on, I'm going to show you how to prepare healthy recipes which can be tasty as well. Welcome back to Absolute Chefing. To start off with this, we're going to prepare a warm quinoa salad, a Mexican style quinoa salad, which is topped off with the chicken skewers. Very delicious chicken skewers, and the whole recipe will take only less than 20 minutes to prepare. So the main ingredient in this recipe, the quinoa, is a very good alternative for rice or wheat, and it is absolutely gluten-free and it's very high in fiber and protein. So vegans, celiac and vegetarians, heads up, this is the recipe for you. Just avoid the chicken. So let's get on with preparing this amazing recipe, and I'm sure you can add this to your favorite collection of healthy recipes. Let's start with marinating the chicken first. So by the time we prepare the rest of the mise en place, your chicken will be ready to go on the grill. For that, we need garlic. We'll be using garlic for the chicken and also for the quinoa salad. So we'll use all of them. We gotta chop them finely. Put the garlic on the side. So now we're going to chop some tarragon. We don't take the stem, it's pretty hard. So we'll use just the leaves and roughly chop them up. If you already know, rosemary and garlic is a really good combination for the chicken, or even for that matter for if you think that is good, you should try tarragon and garlic. This is amazing. That's good enough. Now, smooth the skewers out of the way. That goes right into the chicken. Next thing we need is squeeze of lemon. That goes again under the chicken, and half of that garlic can go in the chicken. Salt to taste. Olive oil and smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika, you can always use just regular paprika. This will give a little bit smoky flavor to it. So trust me, this combination is amazing. Now mix them all up, and then we can prepare the rest of the mise en place while this is marinating. That's there. Now for the quinoa, we need black beans, which is canned. I've opened one can, but I'll be using just half a can of that. Peppers, that'll be good enough. Red and green. Dice them. Jalapenos. I'll take a whole jalapeno. I don't mind the spice on it, but if you don't like it too spicy, you can always avoid or just use maybe half of it. But trust me, this one, after you saute it, it's not that spicy, but gives you an amazing flavor to it. Now we need onions. I've taken quarter an onion. Zucchini. So we'll just remove the soft part out of it and just take the thicker skin. Now the tomato. So we'll be using avocado into that quinoa salad, but this will go in the end. Start making the skewers out of the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is already pre-cut. I've used skinless, boneless chicken thighs cut into almost 1.5-inch cubes, which is perfect for this recipe. So now let's prepare the skewers. That's one. Let's keep it on a plate. And all those extra marinade, you can pour it right over it. And that can go on the grill. So once the pan is hot, add your olive oil in it. Start with garlic. Followed by the onions. You don't have to brown it, you just need to get translucent. That's when you add your peppers and zucchini. Time to add your pepper and zucchini, followed by your black beans. Some salt. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Once the vegetable are sauteed enough, you add your quinoa. I've used 1 cup of quinoa. And then you add 1 cup of water. Put the lid on, let it cook on slow fire. We'll be ready in 15 minutes. The quinoa salad is cooked. Time to add the tomatoes. Time to cut the avocados. So, if you're wondering how you can choose the right ripeness of avocado when you buy them, this is how you look at it. When you take the small stem off here, you can see this color. It's not green, it's not pale, it's slightly yellowish. That's when you know it's a ripe avocado, and it's not black inside, or if it's not too hard. So there you go, that's a small tip for you today. There you go, the perfect one. Take out the seed. That goes into the bowl, just cook them up. As soon as you're done with the avocado, make sure you got lime squeezed out. So the lime juice can prevent the avocado from turning black. And also that gives you a really good flavor to the salad that we're preparing. And avocados with lime. Now mix them all up. The skewers are beautifully cooked now. Now it's time to plate it. A good scoop of beautiful quinoa salad right in the center of the plate. Top it up with a beautiful skewer of chicken right on top. And for garnish, slices of avocado. There we go. That's your healthy meal for today. Now that you have seen how to prepare this amazing recipe, please go ahead and try this at home. And let me know your comments. And if you are new to the channel, or if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and click that bell icon so you can get notifications as I post more videos. And also please check out my older videos for some great tips and tricks on cooking. And bye for now. Take it easy. See you later.